Why start your day with protein?
A high-protein breakfast helps keep you full, supports muscle health, and keeps your energy steady throughout busy mornings. Choosing protein early in the day can make it easier to focus, curb cravings, and help with healthy weight management. If you're short on time, even simple additions can boost your breakfast nutrition and keep you feeling satisfied until your next meal.
Greek yogurt parfait.
For a fast, nutritious breakfast, layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, nearly double that of regular yogurt. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties to keep added sugars low. Add in your favorite fruit and a handful of granola or chia seeds for extra crunch, flavor, and fiber.
Egg sandwich on whole grain toast.
Whip up an egg sandwich in minutes by scrambling or microwaving eggs and placing them between slices of whole grain toast. Add spinach, tomatoes, or avocado for extra nutrients. Eggs are a high-quality protein source, while whole grain bread adds fiber and lasting energy. For convenience, make eggs ahead of time and reheat for a quick breakfast on busy mornings.
Cottage cheese and fruit bowl.
Enjoy a refreshing bowl of cottage cheese, topped with diced pineapple, peaches, or berries. Cottage cheese is rich in protein and low in fat, making it a light yet filling breakfast option. Add walnuts or sliced almonds for crunch and healthy fats. This simple meal takes only a few minutes to prepare and is easy to customize with your favorite fruits.
Overnight oats with protein.
Mix rolled oats, milk or a non-dairy alternative, and a scoop of protein powder in a jar. Add nuts, seeds, and diced fruit. Let it sit overnight in the fridge for a grab-and-go breakfast. This combo provides complex carbs, fiber, and protein to keep you satisfied. Oats are naturally heart-healthy, and the protein boost carries you through the morning.
Nut butter banana wrap.
Spread peanut butter or almond butter over a whole wheat tortilla. Place a banana down the center and roll it up. Each bite provides plant-based protein, potassium, and healthy fats. This breakfast is portable and easy to eat on the run. For extra protein, sprinkle chia seeds inside or pair your wrap with a hard-boiled egg.
Protein-boosted smoothie.
Blend Greek yogurt or a scoop of protein powder with milk, berries, and spinach for a filling smoothie in minutes. You can also add nut butter or silken tofu for extra protein. Smoothies are a great way to pack in nutrients quickly and are perfect for sipping during a busy commute or after a morning workout.
Make ahead breakfast muffins.
Bake a batch of egg muffins or mini frittatas filled with chopped veggies, cheese, and lean meat like turkey or ham. Store them in the fridge for grab-and-go breakfasts all week. These muffins are high in protein, customizable, and easy to reheat in seconds. Pair with a slice of fruit for a balanced, no-fuss meal.
Tips for busy, high-protein mornings.
Keep ingredients like Greek yogurt, eggs, nuts, and whole grains on hand for quick assembly. Meal prep when possible, such as pre-chopping veggies or making overnight oats. Don't be afraid to mix and match these ideas to suit your tastes and schedule. With a little planning, enjoying a high-protein breakfast can become a simple, energizing habit.